Welcome back, folks. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. Chevron Corporation, one of the leading players in the energy industry. In this video, we'll delve into the financials and key metrics of Chevron, giving you a comprehensive overview in just 5 minutes. So, let's jump right in. Starting off, let's talk about some important ratios. The price-to-earnings ratio, or PR, is a commonly used valuation metric. For Chevron, the PR over the trailing 12 months stands at 8.51, which suggests that investors are willing to pay around 8.51 times the company's earnings per share for its stock. Looking ahead, the forward PR, or PRFWD, for Chevron is 10.93. This indicates that the market expects higher earnings growth in the future, leading to a slightly higher valuation. Next, we have the price/earnings-to-growth ratio, or PG. Unfortunately, we don't have PG data for Chevron because the estimated EPS growth over the next 5 years is negative. Moving on to profitability measures, let's discuss the return on equity and return on assets. Chevron boasts a solid ROE of 22.7%, which indicates the company's ability to generate profits from shareholders' investments. Additionally, the ROA stands at 13.9%, demonstrating Chevron's efficiency in utilizing its assets to generate returns. Now, let's talk about earnings per share. Currently, Chevron's EPS is $18.50, reflecting the company's earnings for each outstanding share of stock. However, when we look at the EPS for the next 5 years, we see a negative figure of -7.68%, suggesting a projected decline in earnings. Turning our attention to dividends, Chevron offers a dividend yield of 3.84%. This means that, as an investor, you would receive an annual dividend payment equivalent to 3.84% of the current stock price. However, the dividend growth in the last decade has been somewhat disappointing, since it has barely achieved annual growth of around 5%. Let's examine Chevron's operating and profit margins. The operating margin, which measures the percentage of revenue remaining after deducting operating expenses, stands at 18.4%. Meanwhile, the profit margin, which assesses the company's ability to generate profit from each dollar of revenue, is at 15.4%. Now, let's explore the evolution of Chevron's profits and income over the last 5 years. The trend has been very positive, with steady growth in both profits and income, showcasing Chevron's ability to adapt and thrive in the dynamic energy market. Moving on, let's take a look at the average price return of Chevron's stock over the last 52 weeks. The figure stands at 8.68%. Indicating the overall return that investors have gained during this period. Lastly, we'll touch on Chevron's market capitalization, or market cap, which is a measure of the company's total market value. Currently, Chevron's market cap stands at a staggering $298.12 billion, highlighting its significant presence in the energy sector. That wraps up our brief exploration of Chevron Corporation's financials. From valuation ratios to profitability indicators, we've covered the key metrics in just 5 minutes. Remember, this video provides a snapshot, so be sure to conduct further research if you're considering investing in Chevron. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And as always, thank you for watching.